Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of updates. On the application of Yazio, you will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will click on Yazio and you will enter. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again, and then you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.